Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. We have seen stock picking with strategies from last few weeks. We started from here, Nifty 50 stocks, top gainers, top losers from this video. From this video. From there, open low, open high, pre-market with the different criterias with future open interest, and we come up to 4 plus 4 plus 1, almost 9 videos on that. Let us have one more and see how this will work. This is one of the best again considering the current environment. Let us see how to pick best stocks, and that will add into our strategy that what we discussed last week. I'll go through very briefly this time as well, because the same strategy with this quality stocks will give you 90% winning rate. If you didn't see my last video, go and see the last video that is detailedly explained how this strategy works and gives 90% success rate. Let us get into that. Now, how to pick the stocks? For this, what we need to do? Get into Google, just press Stock Edge. This is the website that what we are looking, Stock Edge website, free one. This is free one as well as paid one, for even we need updated futures. So we are not getting to paid one. Just click the free version, go to here, click equity section. There are so many sections. These are all premium, these are all free. So we are not getting to premium one. We'll be working on free stuff. But if you get an experience and you are doing your work very well, then you might explore these as well, because this site is giving free stuff, and these are all key stuff. If you add these also in your strategy, then it will work even beautifully. But now we'll see how we can work on the free stuff that what we are given. Now our main aim here is to how to pick the good stocks for intraday as well as swing and positional trading. Let us get into the last but one, trending stocks. Just click here. Can you see three things? Price moving, volume, price movers, volume shockers, and 52-week high and low. If you get any stock with all these three stuffs, you will be minting money. For a single trade, you can earn for entire month if you all these things meets and you catch the stock at the right time. Either two, also high winning rate by adding our strategy, winning strategy. And don't consider only when price is moving. You should add few things. Price is moving, either you need to check open interest that already we discussed, and if price is moving, adding to that volume again increasing, it's a jackpot. And that stock is making its lifetime highs, it will be even better. Now what you do, go to the market movers and pick 10 stocks from here. Top 10. This is again adjusted with the price moving. Intellect Design, one day itself it almost touched its upper circuit, probably 19%. All stocks you see, any stock. I'm not telling that which percentage that we need to consider, as we are doing intraday every day. Take the top 10 best one. Once you take in top 10, then what you need to do, we need only 5 stocks, right? Then eliminate few things based on volume. Now if you see the 10 stocks and the volume also good at them, see the Intellect Design volume is 18 times higher than the previous day compared to that. GM Financials 14 times, 12 times, 10 times. I'm not asking to consider 20 times or 18 times or 50 times. Take top 10. Now we are not taking top 10. We already taken top 10 of price movers. In that we are checking which stocks are giving volume high in that. Now in the top stocks, eliminate few ones which the volume is less compared to the other stocks. And if you go here and in your 10 stocks, if any stock meeting price moving and also volume, if that is there in the 52 weeks high, it's a jackpot for you. Can you see here one stock, Intellect Design? This is trading in futures and options as well. Intellect Design, for single day, it's given 19%. When you go to the volume, Intellect, 18 times the volume are higher on the particular day. And when you see 52 weeks high, the stock is making new highs every day. So keep this in your mind. First thing, go and pick top 10 stocks. Second thing, identify which stocks are volume also equally good with the 10 stocks. Then third thing, make 50, check those in that list any stocks are making lifetime high. Then based on your calculations, take top 5 stocks. You understand? So now let us see here what we do. We take first two stocks, Intellect Design, NCC, and we'll key in our strategy in the trading view. See, I don't want to show stock price already moved up and see showing this that price is moved, because these are all appreciation yesterday. So we should not get into that now. But how we need to pick the stocks and how we need to work. Now we don't want to see in this, and we'll see bit far away. Can you see here lot of consolidation and then price broken out from that levels? That means this price, entire price is engulfed in single day. That means price will go up. So now let us see how to pick stocks that are fallen. Top 5, top 10 stocks, and in that we'll be filtering out top 5. This is, we picked bullish stocks. Now we need to get the bearish stocks because we don't know how the market will be tomorrow. So if it is a bullish day, then we'll be entering into the bullish stocks. If it is a completely bearish day, we'll be getting onto the bearish stocks. But if it is a sideways day, then we'll be working both the stocks, bullish stocks as well as bearish day. How we define the sideways stock? Nifty should be plus or minus less than to the plus or minus 50. So Nifty should be trading 30 points plus, or Nifty is trading minus 30 points, something like that. We can consider it as a sideways day. If it is Nifty more than 50 points and 60, 70, it's increasing, we can consider it as a bullish day. If Nifty is minus 50 points and it's moving down 70 points, 80 points, we can consider it as a bearish day. So now let us see the prices and go and click here losers. You will be getting losers in this list. Okay, then check the volume as well for these stocks. Volume always shows positive. If it is positive stocks or negative bullish stocks or bearish stocks, volume is one and the same. And here in this we need to see 52 weeks low. And if these two parameters meeting, and adding to this even this one, then you will be getting a jackpot. So we'll add two stocks, Supreme Industries, JK Lakshmi Tyres. JK Lakshmi Cement, JK Lakshmi Cement, right. Now we understand how to pick the stocks based on price, appreciation on the particular day, and volume associated with particular stock should be huge volumes. And if the same two parameters is meeting and 52 weeks high, then we'll be getting a jackpot like this. Intellect Design. If someone traded in futures and options on the particular day, he would have minted money like anything. I was telling that this person might have gained his entire month profit in single trade if these three criteria are meeting. Futures and options are very dangerous. Only those who need to work, they have successful experience 5 years, 10 years, and out of 10 trades they are successful 8, then they need to work on futures and options. We all work only on equities. If you are successful, then still with equities with more quantities. First year, paper trade. Second year, less equities. 5 stocks, 10, 5 quantity, 10 quantity that will trade. Third year onwards, will work like a full-time job. Third year onwards, full-time job only when you are very successful in first 2 years, right? And similarly, what we do, we go to the loser section. Price movement will check for top 10. We'll add volume to that and we'll filter out top 5 stocks. In that, we'll see whether 52 weeks low is any stock is there or not. If you find any 52-week low and 52-week high apart from price moving and the volume shockers, then you can trade with only those 2 stocks or 3 stocks if all 3 criteria are meeting. With that, you can make money. Now we identified stocks. Let us see the strategy that is working very well and adding 90% success rate. These are all we discussed last week. So let us see now how we can work on the 90% successful strategy. For intraday, you can work from 1 minute to 30 minutes, even for an hour. But for positional thing, you work on hourly basis or daily basis. And indicators that we use is 3 EMS, 8, 21, 34. EMS works as a dynamic support and resistance. And these are the indicators that we use in trading view indicator. SMAFS indicator, we need not do any changes in that. Swing ATR trend indicator, that we need to change few things that I'll show you. Now let us get the trading view platform. I'll hide all the things and I'll explain one by one how we need to do. So our chart look like this initially, and we need to select the 30 minutes. You can work on 50 minutes or else 5 minutes or else 3 minutes. I don't recommend for working on 1 minute because we are not that experienced people. So I'll consider 30 minutes. Now seeing red and green always, when you enter and you see red, then your mind says, something kind of a disappointment and you may not think positively in the market. Now you traded in this up to here, you waited, then market always fallen below. Then your mind says that book your profit. But what happened? After that it moved up. So for this, now what we need to do, we can make this candlestick as a Heikin-Ashi candlestick. That will maximum eliminate small red candles and it will show as a green as well. But still it's a bullish trend. Now for this, we'll add 3 moving averages. If you want to know more, go and check my previous video. In these 3 moving averages, what we have taken 8, 21, 34 EMIs that we added in this, and we made these colors thick so that it's easily visible. And with moving average strategy that we get around 60 to 70%, when we need to trade that what we discussed, price should fall crossing above to the bottom, and then it should retrace and it touch any one of the EMIs, and when it is coming down, once it crosses below, you'll be entering here. You'll be keeping SL on top of the pivot high, and you will be putting 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3. See here, we met all the criteria here. Even price is given, and if you exit somewhere here, you got one more entry here. So we need to move our SL to the cost after price moving below, and then you can trial your target and you can get maximum up to here. Maximum up to here, you can still make up to this level, and when price moved up, your SL might have hit. So this 70% strategy, when you want to make it 80%, what we need to do? For this, we'll be adding this indicator, SMAFS. We discussed here, right? SMAFS. If you type step MA filtered stochastics, you will be getting this, and you're not changing anything. And this will add some flavors to the our strategy to not getting wrong entries. Now you see red here, you see red here, you can enter easily on the bearish trend. If you see green here, if you see green here, after this candle formed, price started here, it come down, and we may touch the moving averages, moved up. You might have entered somewhere here, or else for new people they may enter somewhere here, and you can put SL here, as market is almost end of the day, so we should not enter any trade after 3 p.m. And to adding one more indicator here, it will almost reduces the fake trades. The third indicator is this one, the indicator name swing ATR trend indicator. If you add this indicator, you will be getting this strip, red and green strip. If you see red, you need to only sell. If you see green, you need to buy only that particular stock. See here, price moved up, come down. So we will be entering somewhere here on the bearish entry, that is short sell. But our strip is saying don't enter, your SL may get hit. That's the reason we are not entering. What happened? Price bit moved bit again, it hit our SL. So this strip avoids, and it will improve our strategy up to 90%. Hope you understand. So few changes has to make in this indicator. Get on to this. ATR make it 200. ATR factor make only 80. In the style section, just take this check mark and then take out all these check marks. These are all support and resistance that what they designed. For Indian conditions, this may not work. This is work only for currency and then some of the big stocks in US. And then you just make this colors. These are the three colors on green side. These are the red three colors on the bearish side. If you just keep that and then keep these two as well, and then you can press OK. Then you will be getting this strip. You can getting this strip, and as we discussed, based on this, what we need to do? See, we are not entering bearish trade here, as we have green strip. We are just waiting. Similarly, our price SL got hit, but we have a chance here to enter again, right? Price moved down, gone up. Enter here. Just I'll show you what is the risk to reward that we got here. So when price moved down and got up, you will be entering here. Your SL will be somewhere here. Right. And see the target up to where it reached. You may think that we can't hold stock up to that level, but it's true. But to show you almost 7% appreciation, you put 10,000 as a risk, you will be getting almost 68,000. Or else in terms of you put 1000 rupees risk, you will be getting almost 7,000 kind of a profit. In intraday, we may not be getting this kind of a profit until unless you have a lot of conviction to hold your stock. So where we will land up, there is no red candle to hit our SL. After entry, this is SL, and when price moved, your SL you will be bringing here. After that, you see these three candles, make your SL there. When you see this candle, make your SL. When you see this candle, put your SL here. When you see this candle, put your SL here. When you see, none of the candles touched here. If the candle come and touch here, we'll be getting profit up to here. This is almost 1 is to 4. 1000 rupees risk, we are getting 4000. But see what happened. Price is consolidating there itself. It's not moved. When price come up to here, you can move your SL here. And at the end of the day, almost 315, you might have entered somewhere, exited somewhere here. That means you almost got 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 6. Hope you understand this strategy. So as I discussed very detailed in our previous video, so I'm not again giving this thing, but only for this stock selection, this strategy works very well. So you consider this strategy for any stock selection, especially this and the previous one. Hope you understand very well. If you not having any questions, you can put your comment in the comment section. I'll be responding for each comments. Just pause this video, like this video, subscribe this video, and comment. Any comment is fine. I'm putting a lot of effort. If you say that it's good, I'll be feel happy. If you feel that this strategy may not work, then I'll try on what basis you are telling, and if I need to correct anywhere, then we can even do that. So don't put any negative comments, please. Putting lot of effort. If you are not understand, don't put one comment saying that if you feel this strategy is not working, update me. I'll come back to you. Then you put whatever negative comment or whatever. But please, like this video, subscribe this video. If at all you find very good, then you can forward this video to your friends and ask them to subscribe. Thank you. Have a